Okay, you gonna give us a tour, Will?
So this is in the Sunshine Coast. I don't know what it is. This is
A little bit of storage in there.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll just shut the door. We'll go up the stairs. Make sure that closes.
There's 3 floors in this.
There's more storage over here.
Yeah, there's more.
We don't have to look in there. Closet. There's a window to the outside.
More storage.
There's where you park. And what do you want to show first?
Oh, in here is the washer. And the
Washer dryer.
Washer and dryer.
Yeah.
Clothing and stuff. And then there's the washroom.
The main bath. So it's got a shower.
Yeah. And then
Oh, we'll have to mention that all the floors are heated.
yes.
It's warm everywhere you walk. So this
Yes.
is the
This is the first.
like first bedroom
First bedroom.
with lots of windows. And what do you got a view up
And
here?
there's a closet, some robes and blankets and
Yeah.
stuff.
What's the view here? You got
And the view is over
a big
a nice
grass area here.
grass little area.
Okay.
Good for soccer and baseball.
Good for soccer and baseball.
And then
Oh, how about we look in the kitchen area here? Main living area, which has very high
there's the
ceilings.
kind of bar table here.
Yeah.
And then there's
Big dining area
dining
with
table.
a million windows
Yes.
and
then-
views.
There's the deck.
And a deck with a barbecue
Barbecue.
and more views, but over on this side we can start seeing the ocean.
Yeah.
And the pool is just down there. All right, go back inside. Living area and home office.
Yeah.
Some more big windows. And TV, fireplace.
Sign TV.
Yeah. And you can see
There's
there's a loft up there.
For wine glasses.
Oh yeah. Yeah. And all the cupboards are full of dishes, right? So just ready to,
This
well,
one.
that's just got, yeah. So you're all set. You got everything you need to cook. All right, show me up. Where's next? The master bedroom, maybe?
So this is the master bedroom.
There's lots of storage. 2 big closets there.
Here's one
Extra
closet.
linens.
And one behind you.
Big bed.
Yeah. This.
Yeah. Ready
Another
to.
one of these.
Yep. And more views to the ocean and
Dad,
marina
Dad,
below.
Dad, look what I found.
Let's see here.
I found a compartment.
Is there a secret? Oh, there is a secret compartment. That's probably just meant for storage.
Storage.
All right. And then what about in here?
And there is the bathroom.
Show me how big that tub is.
It's huge. It's
Can you lay in it?
yeah.
Let's see how big it is. That's a big tub.
And then
Shower.
you can put drinks right up here.
Oh wow.
And the shower, the washroom.
Yeah. And big vanity.
Yeah.
That's another toilet. And upstairs.
Upstairs, yeah.
You lead the way.
Oh, another TV in here too.
Yeah, I will note that there's no lack of TVs. There is 3.
3.
So this is the last.
Last room.
This is where you slept last night? Just because it's cool.
Yeah.
So we have a loft,
Yeah.
another TV, desk,
Another TV.
hide a bed.
There's a deck. And
Open that door to that deck there. This is where I think you get one of the nicer views.
there's somebody kayaking.
Yeah, look at that.
There's lots of starfish here.
Lots of starfish.
Yeah.
All right. And what else?
What else? Oh, there's a nice view down there.
There is a view. A big open living area, as we mentioned.
Yeah.
All right.
And this door is for
Must be storage. It's locked.
Locked.
All right, and that concludes the
Yeah.
tour, right?
And every table has one of these.
Oh yeah, there's.
Here. And
Is there anything else? I think that's it.
yeah, that's it.
Okay.